So officially, these are all the documents required for JEE Main JOSA Counseling 2021. Class 10 mark sheet, Class 12 mark sheet, and a certificate of category SC, ST, OBC, NCL, General EWS. General EWS and OBC NCL should be after April 1st, as you all know. So OBCs should be the central format given issued by state government, and everything will be issued by state government only. Don't worry. So you can get it done with your MROs or district revenue officers, DRO, anyone. So you can get it done from regional revenue officers. So that won't be an issue. And SC, ST, OBC, NCL for Maharashtra state, they have mentioned that. So you should get validated by Social Welfare Department of Maharashtra in case of SC and OBC, and in case of ST you should get that certificate validated by Tribal Welfare Department. And coming to ST certificates of Tamil Nadu must be issued by the concerned revenue divisional officer. Okay. And coming to original certificate of PWD, those who are with PWD, they can submit their original certificate of PWD certificate. And coming to cancelled check or image of passbook with bank details. So you can take one check and strike that check and write cancelled in that and submit that, because if you avail for refund, they will refund you to that particular bank account. And next comes to medical certificate. So this is the main reason I'm making this video. So medical certificate format I'm going to give you, so you get it done. And a passport if applicable, and admit card, and try to also get ready with the Aadhaar card and some other things also, like migration certificate and TC of your last attended college or school. So I suggest you before 27th get everything ready, because once the seat is allotted, they will ask you to pay the fees and upload the documents, and small verification will be done, right? So this is where the first time verification will be done. So before that, if you keep everything ready, that will be enough. Okay, so I suggest you try to keep it ready with before 27th October. Okay, if you get seat in first round, you can submit easily, there won't be an issue. And this is the medical certificate format. So you should name of the candidate, identification marks. So you have to download this, take this to the nearby doctor who have a registration number come seal on his name. Okay, so he should have a registration number, seal. Here he had to write the name, signature, registration number, and seal. So everything so if you take it to private doctor or government doctor, that is not an issue. Take this particular printout to him, so he will fill everything and he will give the signature, name, registration number, and seal. So that's it, guys. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Crash course batch for JEE Mains 2022 is starting from 13th October. These are all the faculty who is going to teach you in that particular crash course batch for JEE Mains 2022. Use the link in the description to enroll for this particular batch. And Excel batch for droppers, JEE Mains and Advanced 2022, mainly for droppers. This is starting from 13th October itself, and these are all the faculty below. If you want to enroll for this particular batch, link for this particular batch is also in the description. And if you want to take subscription on Unacademy, use the link in the description, as well as my code CharanYT, for which you will get 10% instant discount on all subscriptions of Unacademy. And T20 test series for JEE 2022, 2023 and 2024 aspirants. 30 minutes, 20 questions from 7th October to 29th October. This is kind of test series where you can win rewards, as well as you also can test your preparation. This is one of the very good platform created by Unacademy in the form of test series. So do enroll for this test series using the link in the description, and it is totally a free test series if you use my code CharanYT. And I also take regular classes on Unacademy regarding strategy sessions and all. If you want to join those sessions, so just follow me on Unacademy profile. Link of that profile is in the description.